What's up, guys? I'm Jared's back. I'm a little sick right now. I'm just getting over a cold. But I don't have to go to karate today, and I just got my friend a few minutes ago, and he YouTubes. He's a YouTuber. I forgot what his account name is, but if I knew what it was, I'd give him a shout out. And I'm kind of new to this whole YouTube thing, but I'm not new to watching YouTube videos. Man, I love that. It's so fun to watch YouTube. I don't even know what I'd do without YouTube. And also, what's this say? No TV. I got no idea. Still no idea. I'm just gonna paint ceiling glass. I'm just gonna do this. Yeah. The T's gone. I can fix it. I'm just gonna draw. Take some off this. Just see like some TV again. Well, I don't care right now. Here's some blue. Here's a blue word, and green word. There's some yellow words or letters. But well, life's been great for me. I got punched in the nose today, but my friend accidentally did it. He never meant to. I know he didn't. If he did, if he would have meant it, I would have. It would have. My nose would probably be broken, but it's bruised. And my nose, my nose is still straight. And today, I'm gonna show you guys around my yard. So, and if you're lucky, I might climb up my Connex. Just kidding, I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm not allowed to, but it's fun. Let's do this. So, man, I wish there was a pause button, but I'm gonna see how this goes again. Oh, look at this. Padlock. Let's get into my Connex. Also, I need is a hammer for that one. And this one's a key, so... these are easy to get into. But I can't... I would need a hammer for that one. And I'm gonna need a paper clip for that. Not paper clip, but what are those things called? They don't fold like paper clips. Oh crap. This isn't. Where is it? Oh. Okay. Hey. Oh gosh. I just about fell backwards. Okay, let me try this. Oh gosh. Back around. My hands. Guys, I could jump right onto this and get down. No, let's jump onto it. Pretty easy. Just my RV. And then, how sturdy is that? Then if I wanted to, I would jump onto that. But I don't know how sturdy that is because that's a wrecked truck. Oh my gosh, my hands are hurting pretty bad. And well, this is pretty much here at my yard. I'm not gonna go into my backyard. Got a whole bunch of land right there where those horses are coming out. The brown and white one, that's my horse. His name is Crichton. My mom's horse, actually. But that's pretty much it. And Jesus. Minion! So that's just one of my cat's names. Minion. She loves me a lot. We've got this one black cat. Everyone says they're evil, but they're not. Oh, and shout out to... no, never mind. He's a better YouTuber than I am, way better. He rides dirt bikes. Extremely cool. So I'm just, that's no shout out, no shout out. Beep, 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 no shout out has occurred. Keep moving, people. Man, oh, Jesus. Keep moving, people. My cat wants me, so I gotta get down. And to my lucky this thingy. I would jump onto the trailer, but I don't want to. And don't, in the comment section below, do not say I'm a pussy. I'm a wuss. Well, I'm afraid. Oh, shout out to Dalton Marinzik. He's one of my best friends. He's a YouTuber. I don't know if he still YouTubes. Probably not, but just in case, because he's got videos on his account. Just gotta get down. Get onto this. And I'm gonna jump down. Well, jump down. That's our sewing machine trailer right there. I don't know if you guys could get a really good glance at it. Minion. This cat kills lots of rabbits. Minion. If I can grab her. Minion. Oh, got her. She's really cute. Gonna go let her in. Oh, sorry. Just getting a glance at my arm of the cat. So once I my cat, I'll show you guys my 4-wheeler. I'm gonna start it too. If I can get it. Let's go inside. Oh, in the garage. Then that's when I'm gonna end the video. Okay, it's extremely dark back there. So let's go check it out. It's pretty cool. Turn my trusty light on. Crap, I can't. So hang on. You guys give me a second. I gotta do something. Get something. I don't like going into dark places. So I kind of would say, could be afraid, couldn't, proud, like scared, don't like to go to dark places, combo, something like that. And well, there she is. Probably can't see her. Turn some lights on. After there's one, there's 2 lights, 3 lights on, 4. That one isn't turning on for some reason. How's that one? Oh, there we go. So, oh, hang on. That's our black truck. Extremely cool. So, get this baby ready to turn on. She usually will start, but she's kickstart, so it's not very easy, and there's no other way to start besides a kick start. Yes, I do have a dirt bike, but it's not working right now. Jesus. Sorry guys, dropped you. Okay, how about find somewhere to put you? Let's see. Pop socket. I'll just move my 4-wheeler back. This, yeah, she moves pretty soft. Oh, this came out of right here. This should go right here. Hang on. But it broke off. Okay, turn the choke on. I know this has gas. Listen. Yeah, it's got enough gas. What, is it still too far back? Too far forward? This thing does not like to start. Okay, ready? Clutch in. Okay, I'm gonna hold the gas. What? I think I smell gas. Probably come in here. Yeah. This thing hasn't ran in a while. Ever since a couple months ago. I had to quit riding this. Too many mud puddles. Yes, I know there's mud on it. That's what I went for, riding in the sand dunes. Okay. This thing sucks right now. 11 minutes. I only have 15 for this video. Wow, time's actually gone by. Oh, let's try this a little harder. Man, I wish this thing was easier to start. Okay. Yeah, this thing really sucks fun to go on roads. And oh, so I'm gonna tell you something funny. I got stuck in the wheel with my friend on a hill right in front of my grandma's house in some weeds, and so I shifted this thing into first gear, and my friend was making the back lean backwards so the front was up more, and so when I started her, I hit the gas, so I slowly let go of my clutch, hit the gas, and we rode a wheelie right out of it. Let's see if I can get it to start. Or else I'll do another video. I just got home from school, so. Okay, let's try this one more time. A couple more tries. Just kidding. Okay. I think I might have flooded it. Oh, in the comment section below, if you guys want to, give me ideas to start this easier. But it's only a kickstart. Like, you can say do it harder, maybe rock it a few times, whatever you guys want. Okay, so let's give her a couple more tries, and then I'm just gonna give up because this thing is not starting. She's got gas. Okay, ready? Okay. She's not gonna start today. Just that. Yeah. But hope you guys liked the video. And subscribe. See you guys later.